Good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for joining me today. I'm Fritz Fritz. I hope your day is going well so far. Currently sunny, hazy, smoky, and 71 degrees here in the valley on this Friday afternoon. Today, I'm going to taste test Nature's Goodness 100% cranberry juice. I recently bought this 33.83 fluid ounce glass bottle for $2.10 at a local department store here in Wenatchee. Full disclosure, Burlington is not a sponsor of this video, and the Mecor Corporation is not a sponsor of this video. Excuse me. The store had approximately a dozen of these bottles in stock. They're by the checkout registers. A few months ago, I taste tested Nature's Goodness's pineapple flavors and the pomegranate flavors. And once the store got the cranberry flavor in, caught my eye, so I figured I'd give it a try. Full disclosure, I've had this sitting in my refrigerator since I bought it, so I'm trying it nice and cold. I'm going to shake it up a little bit here. Get the safety wrap off of it. Cheers, everybody. Oh my. Very tangy. Sweet. Ooh, smooth. It tastes like cranberry juice. That's great. Wow. It kind of reminds me of like a watered down version of the Ocean Spray brand cranberry juice, or Sears brand, CERE. Oh, not bad. Wow. And I'm not sure how it's appearing on your end. That's a very vibrant, dark purplish red here in the glass. Not bad. On a scale of 1 to 10, I would give the Nature's Goodness 100% cranberry juice an 8.73. Good deal. Has to be good with the dessert. Ooh, maybe with a donut, or maybe bake a cake with it. I don't know. Maybe. Cranberry juice. Wow. Nice glass bottle. Let's see here. Ingredients: cranberry juice from concentrate, water, cranberries. Oh, good deal. Wow. The shake before serving, refrigerate after opening, and drink within 3 days. Oh, this is really good. I don't think I'll have a problem finishing this off in 3 days. Wow. Until next time, applesauce. Bye, everybody. Have a great rest of your day and a fun, safe upcoming weekend. Ta-da! Cranberry juice.